Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Eduzy. If you are someone who is struggling with procrastination, lack of motivation, or staying consistent with your studies, then you are at the right place. I started this channel not because I'm perfect, but because I'm trying to improve myself every single day and I want you to grow with me. This is not just another motivational channel. Here, we focus on something stronger that is discipline, consistency, and real growth. On a Eduzy, you will find study motivation that will actually push you towards your goal. Simple, simple and practical study routines, strategies to stay focused and avoid distractions, roadmaps to help you achieve your goal step by step, and lessons from powerful books that can truly change the way you think. Everything here is based on learning, improving, and taking actions. This channel is also my journey. As I said before, I'm not here to act perfect. I'm here to grow and I want you to grow with me. So, if you are ready to stop procrastinating, take control of your time and start working towards your goal. Make sure you subscribe and become a part of Eduzy. And if you like this video, you can support it by liking it and sharing it with your friends. Also, if there is any topic you want me to cover, feel free to comment below. I'll try my best to create a content that will help you. So let's build discipline, stay consistent, and let's create a better future by starting today.